Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael Angelo Sape. You can call me Michael. I'm from electrical engineering students in Yogyakarta State University, vocational faculty. Now I want to do my task for English for specific purposes. And on this occasion, I want to share to you about a material related with conjunctions, functions, and forms. Okay, I will explain to you about what is conjunctions, the functions, and forms. Nah, pada bab yang ke-8 ini, kita membahas tentang konjungsi atau kata penghubung, di mana di bab-bab sebelumnya itu kita telah mempelajari jenis-jenis kalimat dan lain-lain. Untuk menghubungkan kalimat-kalimat tersebut, kita menggunakan konjungsi. Nah, konjungsi ini digunakan untuk menghubungkan kalimat semisal terjadi pengulangan itu yang tidak diperlukan, kita bisa menggunakan konjungsi agar bisa lebih membuat bisa membuat kalimat itu lebih efektif. Nah, untuk konjungsi sendiri terbagi ke dalam dua kelompok, yaitu coordinating conjunction dan subordinating conjunction. Untuk coordinating conjunction itu dia eh, menghubungkan dua buah independent clause atau lebih. Jadi klausa bebas itu dihubungkan eh, dua atau lebih klausa bebas itu dihubungkan menggunakan coordinating conjunction. Sedangkan untuk subordinating conjunction dia menggabungkan sub clause dengan main clause. Nah, oke. Langsung saja kita bahas berkaitan dengan yang pertama itu coordinating conjunction. Nah, dengan fungsi utama sebagai alat untuk menggabungkan subjek, predikat, objek, dan keterangan pada suatu kalimat, secara praktis coordinating conjunction dapat dikelompokkan menjadi tiga macam. Pertama, menggabungkan dengan menyejajarkan, kedua, menggabungkan dengan menunjukkan pertentangan, dan ketiga, menggabungkan dengan menunjukkan makna pilihan atau choice. Nah, pertama itu yang menyejajarkan, ide, gagasan, atau pesan. Nah, di sini ada beberapa kata yang digunakan di coordinating conjunction seperti and, as well as, kata ataupun frasa as well as, besides, both, bla bla bla, and bla bla bla, moreover, bla bla bla, likewise, bla bla bla, furthermore, bla bla bla. Nah, lalu ini contohnya misalnya di and itu, misalnya contohnya students and parents were invited to come to school for the graduation. Jadi yang di situ menggabungkan subjek students dan parents menjadi satu. Kalau misalnya dipisah sebenarnya students were invited to come to school for the graduation. Parents were invited to come to school for graduation. Tapi dengan menempatkan and di antara kedua itu, maka kedua kalimat yang sebelumnya berbeda bisa digabungkan menjadi satu. Selama maknanya itu, ide atau gagasannya itu sama. Nah, they should come on time and bring the invitations. Nah, itu. Lalu untuk yang as well as itu dan juga misalnya Stella as well as her other friends always come to school on time. Nah, Stella as well as her other friends. As well as-nya menggabungkan Stella dan her other friends. Tuh, ada contoh lain. The council member as well as some of the village people welcome the president and his crew. Nah, lalu em, yang ketiga itu ada yang menggunakan besides. Besides itu selain atau selain itu. Nah ini, besides having good preparation for the exam, students have to come to class and finish the test on time. Jadi situ ada dua klausa bebas. Pertama, students have good preparation for the exam. Lalu yang kedua, students have to come to class and finish the test on time. Nah, untuk menggabungkan kedua itu bisa menggunakan besides. Nah, untuk besides itu, dia jadinya, kalau misalnya tanpa subjek di depannya, langsung kata kerjanya itu ditambahkan akhiran ing. Misalnya nih, besides having good preparation for the exam, students have to come to class and finish the test on time. Nah, ini kalau misalnya menggunakan subjeknya, berarti tidak perlu tambah ing. Besides, they have got some books from the school. They have to get some from the stores. Nah, lalu yang keempat itu ada both bla 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 and bla bla bla. Atau kedua bla 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 dan bla bla bla. Nah, ini both teachers and students have to work together in the classroom. Artinya di sini kan subjeknya itu melakukan kegiatan yang sama sehingga kedua subjek ini digabungkan menggunakan both bla 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 and bla bla bla. Nah, itu. Lalu ada moreover, kurang lebih sama juga. Moreover itu misalnya dia makna itu dan bahkan. Nah ini contohnya, teachers have to be able to explain the lesson clearly. Moreover, they have to be very patient to all students. Nah, lalu ini people can get around the city easily. Moreover, they can just reach the place in few minutes. The people are now very provocative. Moreover, they tend to lose their temper easily. Nah, lalu ada contoh lain itu ya ini menggunakan likewise dan seperti halnya. Tuh. You likewise the other pretty girls have to be well mannered. Nah, sini you dan the other pretty girls itu memiliki kegiatan ataupun kondisi yang sama sehingga digabungkan dengan likewise. Tuh. Lalu furthermore dan lebih jauh lagi bahkan ini mirip dengan moreover. Tuh, Fitun Zaujian got the first rank at school. Furthermore, he got a scholarship. Nah, itu dibatasi dengan tanda koma juga biasanya untuk furthermore. Nah, lalu setelah tadi yang menyejajarkan, sekarang yang menunjukkan pertentangan. Di sini ada menggunakan beberapa keywords seperti but, not only bla bla bla, but also bla bla bla, in spite of bla bla bla, however bla bla bla, lalu despite or in spite of the fact bla bla bla, though bla bla bla, although bla bla bla, even though bla bla bla, nevertheless bla bla bla, whereas bla bla bla, yet bla bla bla, regardless of bla bla bla, on the other hand bla bla bla. Nah, untuk contohnya kita mulai dari yang pertama but di sini. The class begins at 7 a.m. but some students come at 7:15. Nah, di sini ada dua klase bebas itu. Yang pertama, the class begins at 7 a.m. Lalu yang kedua itu some students come at 7:15. Nah, di sini kan kedua kondisi ini kan bertentangan. Sehingga untuk menghubungkan itu kita menggunakan but. Tetapi, tuh, the tuition fees have been increased, but most students don't complain about it. Nah, lalu yang kedua itu ada not only bla bla bla, but also bla bla bla. Nah, ini tidak hanya begini-begini lalu tetapi juga begini-begini. Nah, the school management not only gives punishment to naughty students, but also provides rewards to the best students. Nah, di situ kan ada maknanya bertentangan. Yang pertama, sekolah memberikan hukuman, tapi di sisi lain sekolah juga memberikan hadiah. Jadi dua keadaan yang berbeda itu disatukan menggunakan keywords ini. And that only students have to take the final exam, but also have to try to do the best. Nah, lalu ini ada yang ketiga, in spite of, meskipun dikarenakan oleh. Nah ini, in spite of the expensive tuition fee, parents still prefer to send their children to that school. In spite of the increase in airfares, most people still prefer to travel by plane. In spite of their several illnesses, these people in some villages around the project remain silent. Nah, itu jadi biasanya ini diletakkan di awal kalimat. Lalu diikuti oleh klausa bebas yang pertama dengan kondisi yang berlawanan dengan dilanjutkan dengan klausa kedua yang berlawanan dengan klausa yang pertama. Lalu sekarang yang keempat itu however. Ini however, namun demikian meskipun begitu, Stella is really smart girl. She, however, doesn't like to show up in front of her friends and teachers. Nah, di sini kan pertama keadaannya itu Stella is really smart girl. Lalu yang kedua, she doesn't like to show up in front of her friends and teachers. Nah, itu berlawanan juga. Jadi dihubungkan dengan however. The day was still early morning. The weather, however, was hot and dry. Nah, lalu ada yang kelima itu despite or in spite of the fact that ini despite the tuition fees keep increasing, people remain silent and don't care too much about it. Nah, tuh lalu ada yang kalau in spite of the fact that the weather is very cold in Tawangmangu, I don't want to wear my new sweater. I love something cold. Nah, tuh. Lalu yang keenam itu ada though meskipun. Nah, untuk ini, though it was raining hard, most students didn't get wet to school. They took a bus. Though they came late, the students were allowed to go in. Itu meskipun mereka datang terlambat, eh, mereka tetap diizinkan untuk masuk. Tuh. Atau although, sama juga dengan though. Although the price is cheap, vegetables are always good for health. Jadi ini pertentangan semua. Even though, walaupun masih sama juga dengan although, I really don't like fried bread, even though it is said to be the most delicious food. Don't think you cannot make banana milkshake, even though you never heard of it. Lalu ini yang kesembilan. Nevertheless, walau begitu, cooking for breakfast is a boring house chore. Nevertheless, a good mother has to do it every morning. Nah, itu keadaan yang bertentangan juga. The dairy cows have been frightened by the electrical storms. Nevertheless, they don't refuse giving milk. Nah, lalu ada whereas, sedangkan ataupun sementara itu. The headmaster is really wealthy, whereas some of his staffs live in poverty. Nah, itu keadaan yang berlawanan juga. Kepala sekolahnya sehat, tapi staffnya itu dalam keadaan yang malang. The day was raining hard, whereas the wind blew very slowly. Itu jadi keadaan yang bertentangan semua. Yet, tetapi walaupun demikian, the travel agent instructed the tour members not to bring too much cash. Yet, most of them bought it. Nah, itu berlawanan juga. The travel agent sudah menginstruksikan bahwa anggota perjalanan tidak harus membawa banyak uang cash, tapi berlawanan mereka tetap mau membawanya. Nah, lalu American volleyball teams have been defeated several times, yet they are still open to have other challengers. Lalu yang ke-12 di sini, regardless of. Nah, seperti apapun, regardless of the beautiful place, many visitors prefer to visit another place for their vacation. Regardless of the expensive gift, Melanti Sonia refused to accept it. Nah, regardless of your good teaching method, the objective of a conversation class should be on speaking practices. Oke, jadi itu berlawanan juga. Regardless of her beautiful face and sexy body, Stella Maris cannot rely on them for dignity of her future living. Nah, itu berlawanan juga semuanya. Lalu ini yang terakhir, on the other hand, namun begitu di lain pihak, sedangkan many of her friends like going to a discotheque on Saturday night. On the other hand, Stella Maris always refuses to go there. Jadi Stella Maris itu keinginannya bertentangan dengan keinginan teman-temannya sehingga dihubungkan dengan on the other hand. Itu untuk yang coordinating conjunction yang pertentangan. Sekarang yang ketiga itu kita lanjut ke yang makna pilihan. Sini ada keywordsnya itu ada or, ada either, or else, if not, otherwise, if not, neither, not. Nah, nih. Jadi ada ada 5 keywordsnya. Contohnya itu untuk or, to live dignifiedly or to live ignorantly is up to you to decide. To live is to choose, not to abstain. Nah, itu ada makna pilihan. Mau to live dignifiedly or to live ignorantly. Lalu to move away or stay. Nah, itu ada 2 pilihan juga. Ini untuk pindah ataupun untuk menetap is the right of everyone who live in the projected area. Yaitu makna pilihan juga. Jadi ORS itu berguna untuk memberikan pilihan. Ya, memberikan pilihan. Lalu, you do the best or you will lose in the competition. It's up to you. Nah, jadi itu juga pilihan. Mau memberikan yang terbaik atau kalah dalam kompetisi. Lalu yang kedua itu either or. Nah, di sini baik atau. Either good or bad, it is you who will have to realize your future life. Nah, eh, baik atau buruk itu tergantung eh, kamu yang menjalankan kehidupan nanti di masa depan itu. Jadi kurang lebih dia memberikan ada pilihan antara hidup baik ataupun hidup buruk. Either the plants or other living creatures. Nah, itu juga ada pilihan tanaman ataupun makhluk hidup lainnya. Tuh. Lalu yang ketiga itu ada or else if not jika tidak. Nah, students have to come on time or else their teacher will not let them in. Jadi itu juga pilihan. Students have to come on time Nah, pilihannya itu antara eh, masuk tepat waktu atau nanti kalau misalnya mereka terlambat, gurunya itu tidak akan memberikan kesempatan mereka untuk masuk. Sehingga itu ada pilihan juga, dua pilihan. You will not to be able to do the test if you don't have good preparation for it, or else you will not pass. Nah, tuh. Ini saya agak kurang lebih seperti itu. Lalu, otherwise, if not, jika tidak. Nah, ini kayak dia mengandaikan sehingga memberikan pilihan juga. Students have to pay for their school fees. Otherwise, they will not be able to join in the semester test. Nah, jadi ini juga menandakan jika tidak gitu. Em, Pelajar harus membayar biaya sekolah mereka. Jika tidak, mereka akan mereka tidak akan diizinkan untuk mengikuti ujian akhir begitu. Lalu, the applicant should call the commit. Otherwise, they will miss some important information. Nah, lalu yang terakhir ada neither and nor. Nah, neither and nor ini berlawanan dengan either dan or. Jadi, as young lady, dia bermakna negatif. As young lady, you can go neither to discotheque nor nightclubs of any. This is for your dignity. Jadi dia memberikan pilihan yang bermakna negatif. Artinya, eh, baik ke diskotik, tidak juga ke klub malam, itu tidak boleh. Maksudnya kayak dilarang begitu. Itu untuk makna negatifnya. Neither the headmaster nor the teacher staff come late to school. Baik kepala sekolah ataupun guru itu tidak boleh datang terlambat ke sekolah. Jadi itu maknanya sebenarnya. Tapi kita menggunakan neither dan nor. Itu. Lalu itu selesai untuk tiga jenis tadi, ada menyejajarkan, ada pertentangan dan juga makna pilihan untuk coordinating conjunction. Dan ini dalam kalimatnya, dalam eh, dua buah teks ini dituangkan. Next month will be a summer vacation and most students are busy preparing for that special season. Britney Stella and some of her good friends are thinking of going hiking around Europe this summer. Jadi kita bisa lihat juga penggunanya di teks ini yang dicetak tebal. Although it sounds dangerous according to her mother, she likes to go. Her mother, however, has told her to talk to her father. She likes to talk to her father and she hopes that her father will let her go. Even she hopes that her father will go with her and give her much money. To keep the beauty of the nature, she plans to bring her new camera and handycam as well. She knows what to do with her camera, or else she will not remember anything about the beautiful nature. In spite of the tiring activity, she will keep going. Nah, kalau ini sekarang teks teks yang keduanya. Here is a receipt to relieve your jet lag when you travel in much distance. First, on your seat, turn your head to the left and touch your shoulder with your chin and repeat it to the right. Then, bend your back slightly, drop your head back so that you can see the overhead compartment and just relax your jaw. After that, sit upright and lift your left foot off the floor by raising your whole leg about an inch off the seat. Turn your left foot to the right and left for 10 times. This is suggested by Jack T. Richard. Nah, kurang lebih itu untuk yang coordinating conjunction. Sekarang kita masuk ke subordinating conjunction. Nah, untuk subordinating conjunction ini eh, menggabungkan induk kalimat dan anak kalimat itu. Jadi anak kalimat ini disebut adverb clause yang secara praktis dapat saya katakan bahwa subordinate conjunction itu menghubungkan subclause dengan main clause, anak kalimat dan induk kalimat. Jadi di sini untuk adverbial clause-nya itu ada keterangan waktu, adverb of time, adverb of place, purpose, cause, and effect, reason. Itu kurang lebih ada 5 adverb. Nah, di sini dijelaskan contoh-contohnya itu dibagi dari 5 itu. Yang pertama kita akan membahas tentang conjunction yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan keterangan waktu atau time. Nah, untuk subclause-nya itu yang ditulis dalam kotak pada setiap kalimat ini. Most students go to the universities or colleges after they graduate from senior high schools. Nah, jadi keterangan waktu itu dia menggunakan after di sini. Nih, dia menggunakan after sebagai penghubungnya. Some students will only take some short courses after they found out the tuition fees are very expensive. The fresh graduates will go out and find jobs right after. Nah, itu ada penambahan right after, tepat setelah itu. Jadi kurang lebih after semua. Lalu ini yang afternya diletakkan di depan. After the general election is over. Jadi anak kalimatnya diduluankan baru induk kalimat. The people will soon know their new leaders. Nah, selanjutnya ada yang keywordsnya itu before. Ini, before the student left for hitchhiking, they had talked to their parents. Nah, induk kalimatnya diletakkan di belakang, sedangkan anak kalimat di depan. Tuh. They had checked the weather before they left their school. The students have to show their identification cards before they enter the library and borrow books. The workers went on strikes before the management finally admitted their aspiration. In the United States, young people won't go on dates before they are 15 years old. Nah, itu menandakan keterangan waktu sebelum. Lalu ada when, saat mana, ketika, apabila gitu. When Britney Stella was away on vacation, she didn't bring too much cash. When the horrible teacher entered the classroom, some naughty students were still playing cards on the table next to the window. When the president was away, some of the ministers were very busy doing their businesses. For some people, when they fall in love, it will be forever. Nah, lalu ini during, selama untuk keywordnya itu, during. During the school holiday, Stella spent much her time watching TV and waiting for her boyfriend's call. Nah, jadi untuk khusus ini, conjunction ini harus diikuti noun phrase yang menunjukkan waktu. Tuh. During the examination, nah, jadi di sini ada noun phrase-nya itu di examination, lalu ada the school holiday. Nah, lalu tuh during the summer holiday itu. Lalu kemudian ada keyword as pada saat mengingat atau karena. As the cost of living keeps increasing, many people begin to grumble about the government policies. Nah, pada saat harga terus meningkat, banyak masyarakat yang memulai untuk eh, apa namanya mendemokan eh, melakukan demonstrasi terhadap kebijakan pemerintah itu. As the tuition fees keep increasing, more high school graduates cannot go to the universities. Nah itu pada saat atau karena bisa juga karena biaya kuliah semakin meningkat, biaya biaya sekolah semakin meningkat, banyak sekolah tinggi banyak yang eh, setelah tamat itu tidak bisa melanjutkan ke universitas. Lalu until hingga one day Chelsea didn't leave her house until her boyfriend called her for an appointment. Most people will never stop complaining about the president policies until they find everything is in the right order. Nah, itu. Lalu ada as soon as. Most students will go to find the best university as soon as they get their high school certificate. Segera sesudah. Itu juga bisa seperti right after tadi, yang menggunakan right after. Ini. Lalu it is suggested to the graduates do their business as soon as they get their graduation. Lalu di sini ada yang ke berikutnya itu ke-8 ini as long as, selama atau sepanjang. The young man will never leave his girlfriend as long as he loves him. You don't have to come to the extra class as long as you don't find any problems with your assignment. Tuh, lalu by the time, hingga pada saat atau menjelang. You will have got your perfect job by the time you are 23 years old. Nah, lalu by the time they are 23, students will have finished their studies in the universities. Nah, itu hingga saat menjelang umur mereka 23, mahasiswa sudah harus menyelesaikan kuliah mereka di universitas. Lalu since, sejak. Nah, ini untuk khusus conjunction ini dapat diikuti bentuk frasa atau klausa. Since the country got its new president, many people think that they haven't seen any significant improvement in the living sectors of the ordinary people. Keisha has never met her friend again since graduation several years ago. Nah, itu since, sejak. Lalu ada since lagi untuk maknanya itu selama mumpung. Nah, since the government doesn't mean to change the policy in the education system, I think that more young generation will have no chances to get better education. Nah, ini untuk maknanya itu conjunction ini dapat diikuti oleh frasa dan klausa dan maknanya itu khusus untuk selama mumpung selagi. Nah, selama pemerintah eh, tidak mengubah kebijakan mereka di sistem pendidikan, saya rasa banyak generasi muda yang tidak akan mendapat kesempatan untuk memperoleh pendidikan yang lebih baik. Nah, itu. Since eh, 1997, this country has experienced several changes in political climates. Nah, itu. Lalu ada the first time, pertama kali ya. Some new students felt a little shy the first time they had to introduce themselves in front of the classroom. I felt really nervous the first time I met and touched her fingers. Nah, itu. The first time, itu menyatakan waktu juga. While, sambil sembari. While watching, ini bisa diikuti oleh frasa atau klausa. While watching TV, nah itu klausanya, watching TV, Stella Maris ate up all the sweet apples. So, while watching, waiting for who will be the president, people are very busy participating in the campaign. While some graduates are waiting for the jobs, they make themselves busy doing their own business. While some other people felt being trapped in the living difficulty, Fitun Zaujian could find smart ways for survival. Lalu ada, nah itu untuk yang tadi menggunakan keterangan waktu. Sekarang ini keterangan tempat. Conjunction atau relative pronoun yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan keterangan tempat. Di sini kata kuncinya ada where, in which, itu juga sama dengan where atau wherever. Nih, untuk where-nya itu, just visit one of the best bookstores downtown where you can find many good books for your future life. Tuh, jadi menyatakan tempat. Dia mengacu pada atau menunjukkan pada bookstores downtown itu. Lalu, big cities are the right places for some people where they can work and get living easily. Nah, where di sini menunjuk pada eh, big cities-nya. Lalu ada in which, itu sama juga dengan where. Library is the right place in which you can borrow some good books. Banks are the right places in which people can save their money. Towns are the interesting place for some people in which they can live with their families. These are brief cases in which the authorities keep any files and documents. Lalu ada yang kata kuncinya wherever, di mana saja atau kemana saja. Fitun said, I will catch you wherever you go and stay. You have stolen my heart. Nah, lalu people have to maintain their civilian wherever they are and live together in any communities. Lalu a president has to be smart and act wisely wherever he meets his people. Wherever they have to work, people have to do the best and act faithfully. Wherever you go for a vacation next month, it is suggested that you do not bring too much cash. Nah, do not bring too much cash. Nah, oke, lalu itu untuk conjunction yang keterangan tempat. Sekarang keterangan tujuan, purpose, itu ada for, ada so, bla 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 date, and in order that, lalu in the effort of. Nah, contohnya misalnya untuk yang for itu artinya untuk atau dalam rangka. Many young people go to Jakarta for better studies. People come to college for studying. Come, some candidates for the city council will possibly distribute some small gifts to people for their votes in the general election. This book is designed for helping students get the easier ways of writing in English. So, nah, itu lalu untuk yang berikutnya ada so bla 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 that bla 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 atau so that the continental United States is so big that there are 4 time zones. People begin to consume food with big high calcium so that they can get strong bones. Nah, di sini untuk menerangkan tujuan. Jadi masyarakat itu mengkonsumsi makanan dengan kalsium tinggi tujuannya adalah untuk memperoleh tulang yang kuat. Lalu, some sugar products are so sweet that they are not very good for children and old people. Government officials have to be sincere doing their daily jobs so that the people will not talk bad about them. Nah, lalu yang berikutnya ada in order that, agar supaya. In order that all men respect you, it is suggested that you hold up the concepts of living dignity. Read the book of For Better Dignity in the Future Life by Vitin Zhaojian. In order that students can write in English correctly, they need to read this book a lot. Some people have to work day and night in order that they get the paid more. In order that a candidate wins in the election, he or she has to propose some regional programs for the development of this country. Lalu untuk berikutnya itu ada in the effort of, dalam rangka dalam usaha. In the effort of passing the exam, many students go to Stibbi Prestasi for some extra classes in the afternoon. In the effort of winning in the general election, nah itu tujuannya adalah untuk memenangkan pemilihan umum. Maka di sini many candidates have met with some villagers. Nah, tuh calon-calon yang hendak menjadi pemimpin itu mereka bertemu dengan eh, orang-orang di desa. Lalu, many people move into big cities like Jakarta and Bandung in the effort of getting better living. Lots of high school graduates have to work as salespeople in the effort of gaining work experiences. Lalu, yang berikutnya ada in the hope that, dengan harapan bahwa, in the hope that good jobs are easily gotten, many in the university students join many trainings and seminars on business. In the hope that students pass the exam, they join some extra classes in STB Prestasi in the afternoon. In the hope that they can get the right job soon, some graduates take some short courses on computers and English. In the hope that they can get the best scores of their national final exam, many high school students begin to collect many books. Nah, itu untuk tadi yang conjunction untuk keterangan tujuan. Sekarang untuk keterangan alasan itu ada because atau ada juga because of, ada due to itu sama juga dengan because of, lalu ada due to the fact that, lalu such bla 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 that bla bla bla, so bla 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 that bla bla bla, as bla bla bla, for bla bla bla, why bla ya bla why, lalu owing to the fact that bla bla bla, in as much as bla bla bla, lalu now that, lalu since. Nah, tuh contoh-contohnya ini eh saya akan membacakannya itu misalnya because karena konjungsi ini harus diikuti oleh clause dan tidak pernah diikuti oleh frasa. Nah, tuh. Because to go to university is not very easy, you need to read many different books. Because the students have to pass the national exam, they have to study harder since now. Nah, itu menerangkan alasan. Karena tadi sebelumnya kan tujuan, sekarang alasan. Because they need to get the right job very soon, many universities graduates to go to the employment office. Lalu berikutnya ada because of. Kurang lebih sama juga. Ini harus diikuti oleh non phrase dan tidak pernah diikuti oleh clause. Nah, itu beda dengan yang because. Jadi because of the crisis, people find it hard to find better earnings. Because of the expensive tuition fees, many high school graduates cannot go to the university. Because of the need of good jobs, many universities graduates to the employment go to the employment offices. Because of the economic and political crisis, many people cannot live and work decently. Lalu ada due to, itu juga sama dengan because of. Due to the need. Nah, ini diikuti oleh frasa dan sangat tidak lazim diikuti oleh klausa itu. Due to the need of a better place to study, many high school graduates have to compete harder now. Due to the need of good jobs, many college graduates to go to the employment offices and take some short courses. Lalu, due to the economic and political crisis, many officials make terrible moves in their lives. Due to the cold weather, many people have got colds. Lalu ini, due to the fact that, dikarenakan kenyataan bahwa, nah ini diikuti oleh klausa dan tidak pernah diikuti oleh frasa. Nah, ini berlawanan dengan yang due to-nya. Due to the fact that to get money is not easy, you need to be efficient in spending your money. Due to the fact that you go to the universities is not easy, you have to make a better preparation since now on. Due to the fact that to live in big cities is not easy, many young men begin to have their own business. Due to the fact that they need some good jobs, many college graduates go to the employment offices and take some short courses. Lalu ada such blah 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 that blah blah blah. It is such a good TV program that many people watch it every day. It was such a difficult exam that many students could not do it well. This is such a good book that many students have to read it. Nah, tuh, jadi menyatakan ini adalah buku yang bagus. Nah, karena itu semua mahasiswa atau pelajar itu harus membacanya. Because the weather in the town is always nice, people don't have move into the other plants. It is such, nah itu kan kalimatnya panjang, bisa diubah jadi it is such nice weather in town that people don't move into the other towns. Nah, lalu ada so blah 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 that the jobs are so good that many college graduates really deserve to get them. The politician is so generous and wise that many people come to be his followers. The entrance test has so difficult that many candidates could not complete it on time. Fiton Zazian is so smart and romantic that many young girls fall in love with him. How lucky young man he is. Nah, lalu ada S, mengingat. Conjunction ini diikuti oleh klausa dan tidak begitu lazim diikuti oleh frasa. Nah, as the national exam for the high school students will be held at the end of this semester, students begin to be more enthusiastic in reading books. As the entrance test was so difficult, many candidates could not complete it on time. As the candidate of the president was so smart, many other candidates uh, and fit his programs. Lalu, as the situation of the country is still unstable, many people are reluctant to work better. As the prices of fuels are more expensive now, the cost of living keeps increasing too. Nah itu mengingat. Lalu di sini ada selanjutnya for, karena. Ini alasan juga. Jika bermakna karena, konjungsi ini diikuti oleh klausa, sedangkan jika bermakna untuk, for berfungsi sebagai kata depan dan dapat diikuti oleh frasa. For passing the national exam is an obligatory, many students seem to be nervous. Nah, ini. For going to the university needs much money, most students begin to be more efficient in their expenses. Nah, dua contoh itu sebagai kata depan. Sekarang untuk yang diikuti oleh klausa itu, many fresh graduates take short courses on management and business, for they feel that these are very important to support their future careers. Though, for the candidates have still much time to have voted, they have to go out to make better campaign strategies. Lalu di sini ada why, kenapa? Lebih berfungsi sebagai relative pronoun sehingga diikuti oleh klausa. You have to really understand the reason why you choose one school program and ignore the others. I wonder why many more high school students are involved in the drugs abuse now. People really don't understand why their country is always in troubles. Finally, the police officers have to realize why they have got many criticism from the society. Lalu ada owing to the fact that, dengan alasan bahwa owing to the fact that the school holiday is going to come, most students are planning to have some programs to kill the time. Some fresh graduates take some short courses on computer and English owing to the fact that these two kinds of skills are really needed in the job market. Nah itu. Lalu in as much as, dikarenakan oleh. In as much as the school holiday lasts for a month, students will have much time for going out. In as much as the government hasn't banned the lottery consistently, the people have to go back bet their fortunes. Nah, tuh. In as much as, lalu ada now that, dikarenakan sekarang. Now that the tuition fee is more expensive in many schools and universities, many more school graduates choose to take short courses. Now that the government has not consistently upheld the laws, many corruptors are still free wandering. Lalu ini, since lagi bisa juga digunakan untuk yang alasan ini. Since your ship is still in the harbor, make a specific destination for the ship to sail. Since you are still a high school student, you still have much time to treat yourself to be a great person in the future. Nah, itu untuk yang alasan. Sekarang conjunction yang menunjukkan keterangan konsekuensi. Nah, di sini kurang lebih keywords-nya juga ada cukup banyak. Oke, kita akan mulai yang kelima. Oke, konsekuensi. Nah, ini digunakan dalam suatu kalimat hendak dituangkan pesan yang menunjukkan adanya konsekuensi atas suatu hal. Consequently. Yang pertama, consequently, akibatnya. Entertainment places can be found downtown cheaply and easily. Consequently, many young people begin to be hooked on going out night for immoral dances. Nah, tuh. Too much rubbish is thrown to the rivers. Consequently, it is flooding whenever rain falls too much. Nah, tuh akibatnya. Accordingly, dengan alasan tersebut, you didn't spend much of your time on books last semester. Accordingly, you didn't get your first rank like you did before. Nah, itu juga menyatakan konsekuensi. The laws are not consistently practiced. Accordingly, there are many lawbreakers that walk away freely. Nah, lalu ada so. Ini juga menunjukkan konsekuensi. The ticket to the park costs too much, so many visitors prefer to visit the beach. Lalu during the summertime, as the weather is too hot, so many people go to the beach for swimming. Lalu as a result, many young people, nah ini, untuk yang kata kuncinya as a result, akibatnya. Many young people spend too much of their time on parties. As a result, they are jobless and begin to regret about the past. Getting good jobs is more difficult nowadays. As a result, many college graduates just get to work in the level of high school graduates. Nah, lalu berikutnya ada yang kata kuncinya therefore, oleh karena. Many students are not serious in learning, therefore they cannot pass the exam. The final exam is to be held at the end of this month, therefore you have to be well prepared for it from now on. Lalu thus, itu dengan begitu, the future life depends on what you are doing now. Thus, try to do the best in anything and always love sincerely. Job seekers have to learn about some job interviews, thus they are successful in having them one day. Lalu ini ada kata kuncinya then, lalu kemudian. Once some school students went to the discotheques, then they began to be involved in the drugs and free sex. Nah itu menjadi konsekuensi. First, college graduates have to identify their qualifications, then they write application letters and send them to different companies. Tuh. Lalu ada conjunction, berikutnya ada conjunction yang menunjukkan keterangan syarat. Nah, keterangan syarat ini ada if, only if, otherwise, or else, as if, as though, when, even if, wishing that, in case that, in the event that, provided that, or providing that, of, or only if, unless, itu sama dengan if, or bla 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 bla, not. Nah, untuk contohnya itu, misalnya yang if the government, nah itu syaratnya. If the government doesn't mean to purchase the fuels much more, people will be angry and going to protest. If the government increases the VAT, people may boycott to pay so. Nah, tuh, itu untuk syarat. Jika pemerintah meningkatkan VAT, maka masyarakat mungkin akan memboikot untuk membayar juga. Nah, itu. Lalu only if, andaikan saja, ini juga syarat mengandaikan. Only if I am sure that you will pass the national exam, only if you are responsible for your status as a student, only if the Department of Fine Arts and Architecture have the required courses, they will not be criticized. Nah itu. andaikan saja. Lalu ada otherwise, jika tidak. Ini juga mengandaikan lebih cenderung disebut transition karena itu tanda titik digunakan untuk memisahkan kedua independent clause. Nah, ini biasanya menggunakan tanda titik menghubungkan dua independent clause. You have to be more concerned in studying, otherwise you will not pass the exam gitu. Students have to regularly read and write, otherwise they will be left behind and will make no significant progress. Lalu ada or else, jika tidak. Nah, kurang lebih juga sama, jika tidak juga. Tapi ini pakai tidak harus dibatasi oleh tanda titik kayak otherwise. You have to be better mannered right now, or else your boyfriend will leave you because of your ignorance. Jadi ada penggunaan tanda koma sebelumnya. Kalau tadi otherwise menggunakan tanda titik sebelumnya, di or else dia menggunakan tanda koma. As if, as though, ya seolah-olah digunakan dengan kata kerja past. Nah, ini menggunakan kata kerja past. Some students have lunch at the fancy restaurants, as if they had much money. Nah itu, seolah-olah mereka memiliki banyak uang. Nah itu. The corruptors denied all the trials, as if they did nothing wrong. Dari situ kata kerjanya itu semuanya kata kerja past, kata kerja masa lampau. Ada did, ada had, ada got, ada had juga. Stolen, had stolen. Lalu when, apabila jika saja. When students always come on time, they will do better at school. When the general election is safely done, people will be able to work better. Lalu selanjutnya ada even if, bahkan jika. You still have to study hard and even if you have got the first rank at school. Tuh, karena dia menyatakan eh, semacam persyaratan. Kembali ya, dia menyatakan syarat. Lalu di sini ada wishing that. Setelah even if tadi ada wishing that dengan berharap bahwa wishing that she can pass the final exam. Setelah Lopez begins to be more serious in schooling. Wishing that more students will have reading hobbies. More bookstores and general libraries are open for public. Nah itu. Lalu yang lain itu syarat in case that in case the fuels cannot be purchased in this morning month, many people begin to be panic. Lalu some investors still hold their funds in case the situation of this country is not very conducive. Yeah, the sales of fuels are limited in case the government increase the prices. Intensive practices on doing the test are conducted in case the final exam this year will be more difficult. Lalu ada in the event that, kalau juga, in the event that ini lebih formal dalam penggunaannya. Nah ini untuk yang lebih formalnya. In the event that the materials for the exam are more difficult, students have to make better preparation from now on. In the event that the cost of living keeps increasing in this coming year, people begin to save more. Nah, lalu ada providing that only if. Nah ini, kalau saja. Provided that tuition fees are decreasing next year, I'm sure that more people will be able to go to universities. Tuh, kalau saja. Provided that the president is qualified enough, no complaints come up in the society. Kalau saja presidennya itu cukup terkualifikasi atau sudah eh, ya sudah memiliki banyak pengalaman, sudah memiliki kualifikasi yang baik, tentunya tidak ada komplain dari masyarakat itu. Itu syarat itu. Jadi hubungkan dengan provided that. Unless itu sama juga dengan if atau if bla 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 not. Nih, tidak kecuali jika ya. You will not pass the exam with excellent result unless you study better. Nah, itu juga syarat, menyatakan syarat. Jika kamu belajar dengan baik, maka kamu bisa melewati ujiannya, mengerjakan ujian dengan baik. Many young people will not be able to enter the higher education unless the tuition fees are made low. Lalu itu untuk yang persyaratan, sekarang yang makna pertentangan. Di conjunction yang subordinating. Even though, meskipun. Some young people grumble that they cannot to go university. Even though they have some enough money for it. Some students have got cell phones in their hand, even though they always complain that They don't have money. Nah, two. Even though many attempts to guarantee the safety have been made, many investors are still reluctant to release their funds. Lalu ada although, walaupun. Ini menyatakan pertentangan tuh. Many young people keep on drinking liquor, although they know that it is not good for health and brain. It's crazy. Although the laws and of anti-corruption have been made, still many people keep on corrupting. Although many criminals have been successfully arrested and fired, the crime rate is still very high in the country. Although the need of English has been really urgent for anyone who would like to apply for good jobs, not many people begin to learn it more seriously. Though the city is really polluted, many people like to live here. Though the police officers have tried to do the best, still many people don't trust to what they have done. Lalu ada despite, meskipun senantiasa diikuti oleh frasa dan bukan klausa itu. Although the street is so crowded with various vehicles, some young men drive their cars first. Nah, kalau kita menggunakan despite akan lebih singkat. Despite the crowded street, some young men drive their cars fast. Although it has rained for days, some farmers still complain about weather. Nah, kita ubah menjadi despite the heavy rain, some farmers still complain about weather. Nah, lalu ada in spite of the fact that many people go on protesting, the government doesn't seem to change its policy of increasing taxes and prices of fuels. Lalu, in spite of the fact that they have not other shelters to live in, the local government still force the policy to move them away. Lalu ada nevertheless, meskipun begitu, lebih dianggap sebagai transisi word, sehingga kedua klase dipisahkan dengan titik. Nah, ini pakai dibatasi dengan titik, meskipun begitu. The tuition fees are getting more expensive. Nevertheless, high graduates have to go to the college. It has been raining for days. Nevertheless, farmers seem reluctant to cultivate their crops. Nah, lalu di sini ada contoh-contoh penggunaannya dalam komunikatif dengan teks komunikatif purpose. Ini yang pertama. Well, it is very easy to get to Stella Maris hospitals. This hospital is very famous. Therefore, many people like to be the hospitalized there when they have got problems with their health. First, take the bus and get off in front of main post office. I suggest you to take the bus as it is more comfortable if compared to riding your motorcycle. Then only if you have got your own car, you can drive there, of course. While standing in front of the gate of the post office, see the sign of the hospital across the street. Finally, follow the sign and you will find that the hospital is located only about 300 meters from the post office. You cannot miss it. Lalu ini ada dalam teks yang kedua itu, how was your weekend? Did you do anything interesting? I didn't do much on my weekend, but I would like to tell you about what I did on Saturday night. I was so lonely because my parents were away and no friends come to visit me. I didn't know what to do, therefore I went out for a dinner. I went to one of the most famous restaurants in the hometown. Although people think that the food costs a lot, I prefer to have dinner in that restaurant. Did you know that I go to that restaurant once a month with my parents and sometimes with friends? As it has a nice atmosphere, the place is always very crowded with young people. It has a large room with around 30 round tables. The room is always clean. All the tables and chairs are always well arranged. It is always comfortable to sit there while enjoying the most delicious food that is served. That night, I didn't feel too like eating much, so I just ordered a baked lobster with chili sauce and a glass of orange squash for my dinner. I enjoyed the food very much. The lobster was very delicious and tender, and the orange squash was nice too. My dinner cost 45,000 rupees plus tax. I would like to go there again one day. Nah, lalu ada teks yang ketiga ini. Sekipan is one of the most popular places for a camping activity. It is located in Karanganyar, exactly 20 kilometers east of the center of the town. It is in a small valley which is surrounded with 3 small hills. The weather is always nice, fresh, and not polluted at all. It is really cold either in the dry or rainy season. It is always crowded with many visitors from different parts of town and other cities. During the holiday season, the place is fully booked. Therefore, you need to make a reservation to the authority of the place. Because of the cheap entrance fee, many students choose to have camping activities there. If only you would like to have a camping activity with friends, don't miss this place. I bet you will never forget to enjoy the wonder of this place. Okay, so that's all about our materials today, uh, about conjunction, functions, and forms. So we have learned about conjunction. There are 2 kinds of conjunction: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction relate two or more independent clause. Uh, then subordinating conjunction relate a subclause and a main clause. So that is the difference, and there are so many kinds of uh, its coordinating conjunction or whether subordinating conjunction. So that's all about our material. Thank you for listening to this video. And I hope you understand what I have explained before. That's all from me. Thank you. And I'm sorry for any mistakes I made in this video. I need your support because I'm learning English for specific purposes, and this is not easy as I think before, but I hope you can support me by like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all. Bye. See you.